Hi, today we will see the unboxing of small vacuum cleaner by Black & Decker. Its model name is VH801-IN. So let us go through the outer of the box. So you can see the contents printed outside. So its name is Dustbuster. Now let us open this. The packing seems to be good. So first thing is a connecting hose. Next we can see some accessories. First one, second one, third one, then there is a belt, user manual, then the main unit. So these are all the items. After unpacking, you can see the manual. So it is given a detailed description of the accessories and how to use this. This particular brush has got two options. We can fold this like this. So without brush you can use, and if you want to use it with a brush you can just turn like this. So it is a kind of 2-in-1 setup. Next thing is a nozzle type of thing. So even you can extract the dust from any nook and corner using this particular thing. Next thing is a belt. As I said, you can hang on your shoulders like this. You can see this picture. So it's portable and you can hang on your shoulders while operating this so that your hands will be free. So next accessory which can be used for cleaning the mats. Actually I have bought this for my car. We can use this to clean our home also for small use. And next thing is their warranty card kind of thing. Yeah, I don't know whether we have to send this to Black & Decker to get the warranty. Anyway, these are all there. And we have got the service locator booklet which will have the address. And coming to the main unit, this is the point where we have to attach the hose for sucking or blowing. And we have got a long wire. I hope this will serve most of our purposes. It's a 2-pin. And coming to the controls, we have got an on and switch. And if we come to the bottom side, you can see the Black & Decker sticker product information there. And the major advantage is we can see the collection chamber here, so we can see through this and we can remove this particular thing and clean whenever it is getting full. So after connecting all of these things, I will give you one more video. Stay tuned. For any other kind of information, you can comment me. You can give the comments below. I will try to give the feedback. Thank you.